welcome to a video on my channel. I am Sharice, and currently I am traveling, going back home, trying to get home safe. I am currently traveling home in the storm of Delta, and today I wanted to kind of show y'all, if I could, what we're dealing with. Some flooding. Hopefully it doesn't get too bad, but I'm trying to get to the house, y'all. I had to come out and get my medicine, and my son is worried about buying stuff for Fortnite. Let me show y'all what I'm doing. Flooding. It is getting real out here, y'all. So just pray for us. Pray for everybody that is involved in this storm in Louisiana. And I want to see if I can show y'all one more. I don't know if I couldn't find it, but it was back there yonder. But yeah, how is everyone doing out here today? I hope everyone is having a blessed and wonderful day. So please like the video, share, subscribe, turn your post notification bell on so you know when the next time I do upload a new video. Oh, I wanted to get home before it started raining, y'all, but it didn't happen. I had to end up getting some items for the house, so just in case that we do get trapped by water, that my kids will have everything that they need. I'm about to see if I'm about to stop at the dollar store to see if they have this card that my son wants, and go from there and go home. I'm going home, y'all. So just pray for us. That's all I can say. Pray for us. Stopping at the dollar store, y'all. And I will be back. y'all, welcome back to the video. I am trying to show y'all currently the water is very high on the road that I'm on. Can't get through, can't get home at the moment, so I'm going to try to turn around and go another way. But I just want to come on and show you all how bad it is in Louisiana right now, and stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome back to the video. I just also want to show y'all this is the water I was able to get closer. This is the water on Carson Road in Louisiana. The bridge is totally out. The currents are, you know, look at the current. The current is fast, very, 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 very fast. And I'm gonna try to go another way to be able to get home, but this is Carson Road at the bridge. Stay tuned. I'll be back. Hey y'all, and welcome back to the video. I want to show y'all a clip where I live, what the water looks like. I can't go through, so this is where it's barricaded off. The water is up right here at the bridge. The water is up, and this is what it's looking like. Y'all, it's blowing very, very hard. You see? So this is Hurricane Delta, and this is all from one night. Just one night of rain. So I'm sorry, this is all from one night of rain. I can't get home. I'm gonna have to turn around. I can't get through the water. So pray for us. Louisiana has had some bad hurricanes and bad experiences with rain and water. So I am about to see how I can get around this to be able to get home. So, ooh, the wind just blew down the barricade. The wind is high out here. It is very, 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 very high. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna get to the house, so pray for us and stay tuned. I'll be back. All this water. People flooded. People parking so they could actually get flooded. under. You hear me? Oh my Jesus, I'm praying for them. Where I am, y'all, but I'm trying to get home. I'm by my house. I'm out here flooded. People, cars by the road. I'll come back to you. Stay tuned when I get where I am going. Get a wind. Flooded. Ooh. Oh my God. Somebody talk. It's under. You hear me? Oh my Jesus, I'm praying for them. Where I am, y'all, but I'm trying to get home. I'm by my house. I'm out here flooded. People, cars by the road. I'll come back to you. Stay tuned when I get where I am going. Get a wind. Hey y'all, I came back on to let you know that I did make it home safely. The wind for Hurricane Delta is very, very high. And the water is constantly rising. So pray for all those who are involved with this storm, and pray for me, pray for my family that we'll be okay. And I just came on to show y'all exactly what is going on with Hurricane Delta. I haven't it hasn't really fully hit as of yet, but they do have the flooding thus far. I'm not quite sure if the lights are out or not. My husband is running the generator, so the lights may be off, or he may just be testing out the generator to make sure that everything is well. I did just get a message that Hurricane Delta is making its landfall as of now. It is currently 6 o'clock p.m. 6 o'clock p.m. on October the 9th, 2020. that this hurricane did hit Louisiana. So like this video, comment down below on what other videos that you would like to see, share, subscribe, turn your post notification bell on so you know when the next time when I do upload a video. Until the next video, until the next vlog, remember to keep the faith and always believe in everything that you do. I love each and every one of you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.